Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Goldwood Sound Incorporated Silk Dome tweeters, specifically the GT525-2 model. These tweeters are designed and engineered right here in the USA, boasting some impressive specs. With 100 watts RMS and 200 watts max power handling each, these tweeters are no joke. The Silk Dome cones deliver a smooth and accurate sound reproduction, perfect for professional DJ speakers, PA systems, karaoke setups, and even studio monitors. One of the standout features of these tweeters is their wide frequency response range, spanning from 3000 to 18,000 Hz. This ensures that you're getting crisp highs without sacrificing clarity. With a sensitivity rating of 92 dB, these tweeters can really cut through the mix, making them ideal for live sound applications where clarity is key. Installation is a breeze thanks to their compact size and shallow mounting depth of just 1.13 inches. They fit perfectly into enclosures with a hole size of 3.375 inches, making them versatile for various speaker setups. Plus, with 8 ohm impedance, they're compatible with a wide range of audio equipment. Whether you're upgrading your current speakers or building a new sound system from scratch, the Goldwood GT525 tweeters are definitely worth considering. Their combination of power, clarity, and ease of installation make them a top choice for any audio enthusiast or professional alike. So if you're in the market for high-quality Silk Dome tweeters, give these a serious look. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.